Well, hello everybody. The sun is just coming up. I told you guys I had a surprise or something coming, and I didn't want to tell you about it yet because I didn't have it. But now I do, and well, may as well just show it to you. We're moving from a truck to a van. It's kind of, I mean, it needs a little work. I'll show you. You see right here? Yeah, it's pretty rough. Got hit right here. So not something that can't be fixed. That's really the only damage on it, other than, I mean, you could see there's a scrape down the side. It's not a huge deal, but look at all this space. It's 12 feet from the back door to the cage here. So super excited about this. I'm going to take you guys along with getting it all fixed up and ready. I've already started. I removed that top shelf. It's sitting right up there. But then I did that last night when I got home, but then I had to stop because I kind of want you guys to follow along with this. So I guess let's just get to it. First order of business is going to be getting this window back in the track and getting the door met back into shape. You can see it's, yeah, that's not good. Not good at all. But I've decided I'm not going to buy a new door, at least right now. I'm just going to bend that metal back. I'm going to take the door panel off the inside and pound it out so the window, yeah, get back in, and I'll just bend it back in so it seals and closes. And I mean, right now, I don't know if it's locked or not. Yeah, see? I mean, it opens and closes fine right now. But, yeah, there it is. This is a Chevy 2500, Chevy Express, 3/4 ton van. It's got the roof rack. Got the, well, you saw the shelving inside. It's got the hydraulic lift gate in the back there. So that's going to be awesome for like lifting the Time Master or heavy stuff up into the van. I don't know if I don't have it hooked up right now. I don't have the terminal going to the battery because the bolt just wasn't long enough. That was missing. The battery was missing when I got it. So I put a new battery in it, the terminal on the battery, and I'll show you at some point, was, like I said, it wasn't long enough. So I'll remedy that probably today. And it needs a good cleaning. Let me look, there's stuff all over in here. So first order of business, like I said, is this door. This is the most important thing. And this has been off the road for how long? 2021. So not too long, 4 years. It's been parked for 4 years. Fired right up, ran great the whole way here. Something's dead in the muffler. It smells bad when it runs. I may have burned that off on the way home last night. I don't know, but it was only like a 10-minute drive. So anyway, let's get to getting on this thing. Not sure where would be a good spot to put you guys. I'm just gonna try this here. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work, but I don't want to start beating on it this early in the morning. Not going to be pretty, but we'll see. Well, we have run into a brick wall. I did a lot of work on that door today, and I can't get it right. And then I made the mistake of looking on eBay and found a door, like a complete door, window, everything for $250, and I'm thinking, why am I wasting my time? So now I got it bent into better into shape, but it still doesn't close and seal out the air. There's still a gap you can stick your fist in between the door and the body. But now when I shut this sliding door, it pins that door in so you can't open it now. So I did a little bit of work in here. You know, I started just kind of cleaning up a little bit, so now I can actually go through this partition. There was just a bunch of garbage, and there's still a bunch of garbage on the passenger side over there. There's still, I mean, there's a little bit of garbage bag. I mean, so all these shelves back here are just stuff that I found on these shelves, but I cleared these ones off, swept them off so I could put my tools and stuff up here. I think at this point, I think I'm just going to buy a door. I mean, I have a really hard time spending my time on this when the door is so incredibly cheap. But we'll take a look at what I've done so far. So yeah, as you can see, I ended up drilling a bunch of holes in it, and I used like a ratchet strap on the receiver hitch of my truck to pull a lot of this out. And well, you could see I've got the little eye bolt right there. I was working on pulling this out, but look at the gap still. And the window won't go back in the track because it's just all mangled in there. I don't think I can show you. Well, I guess I can. So all of this stuff in here is just all, it's just all bent. It's destroyed. I could probably make it right if I kept working on it. But like I said, for 250 bucks, let's just get a new door. We'll just get a new door and we'll put it on. You see I've got my tools and stuff in here. It's kind of dark. The light doesn't work. I'll be fixing that. And I'm going to put up on the roof all the way around spotlights to light up all the way around this thing for working at night. I threw a weed eater up there just to see if it would fit, and it does. So there's still a lot of work to do. Unfortunately, it's here, let me turn you guys around. Unfortunately, it is gonna rain tonight, and you know, part of me worries that now it's going to get wet up here, but even though I put that tarp and stuff on there like last winter, or the trash bags, I Gorilla taped them, the Gorilla tape took the paint right off. Even though I did that though, the rainwater's been getting in, the weather's been getting in for a year. So it is what it is. I'm just kind of wrapping things up out here now, because outside, yeah, she ain't looking good. Not a good day for solar. But anywho, thankfully, we've still got the truck. Not like I got rid of that, never will. But and I cleaned out a bunch of the carport so I can actually back the truck in here and protect my gear. So there's still, as you can see, yeah, but at least my stuff won't be getting rained on for right now. Anyway, I think I'm gonna conclude this video, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. I'm excited about that thing.